In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the coming soon or password page in Shopify without using an app, allowing you to tailor this important page to suit your brand's aesthetic and communicate effectively with your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the password page in Shopify. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll find the section labeled Online Store. Click on Themes, and once you're within Themes, you'll see a Customize button. Click that, and you'll find a drop-down menu from which you'll select Password. This will take you to the area where you can start making visual and content-based changes to the password page. Now let's talk about customizing the password page itself. You have two main approaches here: using the theme customizer or modifying the theme code. Using the theme customizer is straightforward and user-friendly. With the theme customizer, you can adjust the heading and subheading text, tweak the background image, and modify the color scheme to ensure your page aligns perfectly with your brand's colors. You can also handle text elements and decide whether to add or remove sections, such as the email sign-up banner, with just a few clicks. If you're looking for more advanced customization options, delving into the theme's code might be the route for you. This typically involves editing the password. Liquid file. Remember, when tinkering with code, it's always good to proceed with caution, especially if you're not too familiar with web development. One advantage here is that you can add custom CSS to further personalize the page's look and feel, a great way to create a truly unique user experience. Another exciting element you can include on your password page is a countdown timer. Countdown timers are effective tools for creating anticipation about upcoming launches. Some Shopify themes might come with built-in countdown timer settings, which makes integrating one straightforward. However, if your theme doesn't offer this out of the box, you have the option to add a countdown timer section directly to your theme code. It's a fantastic way to keep visitors engaged and excited about what's coming next. Lastly, consider incorporating an email sign-up form. This is invaluable for collecting interested visitors' email addresses, ensuring you're building a list that you can reach out to when your store goes live. While some themes offer built-in email sign-up forms, if you need more functionality, an app like the Customer Fields app can help you create a custom form that caters precisely to your sign-up needs. Once you've made all these changes, always remember to save your work. It's crucial to click that Save button to ensure all your efforts are captured. And don't forget to preview your changes on the live store so you can check that everything looks tip-top and works as expected. By using these methods, you can craft a visually appealing and informative coming soon or password page that not only aligns with your brand, but also helps build anticipation and a connection with your upcoming audience.